Just a quick little video. Pretty cloudy day. I don't know if you can see a lion back there. He's out in the field. There he is. Happy dog. Happy dog. Crazy ducks. Crazy chickens. Psychotic geese. We're getting ready for some rain. We haven't had rain in quite a while. Probably at least a month. Everything is really dry. But quite a different view without the trees right here. I've got my bird feeders up, feeding the wild birds. The migration has started. I've got chickadees, tuft titmouse, blue jays are back. The dark-eyed ginkgos are back. Chickadees, Carolina wrens are back. Haven't seen any cardinals yet. Oh, and we have lots and lots of bluebirds. All right, expecting 1 to 2 inches of rain tomorrow. And next week, there's talk of freezing rain and maybe a tad bit of snow.